Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix black spots on screen in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using S21 Plus and you're facing black spots on your screen, I want on my screen, but if you're facing black spots issue on the screen, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing, there might be two reasons of this black spot. The very first reason might be a software glitch. Sometimes it might be a software glitch that where any a single part, let's say this short area of your screen, and it's not working, and there is a black spot. You're unable to see anything, or you're unable to touch on that area. So you can try to make a hard reset to fix that issue. You have to make a force restart to fix that issue. But if your screen is physically damaged, like you might see that the area is broken of your screen, if your phone has accidentally fallen, so unfortunately there is no any fix for this. You have to change your display. So if you want to only fix that area, that specific area, so there's no any way to fix that area. You just have to change your whole display to fix that issue. But before you do that, I recommend you have to try to make almost 3 4 restart, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which you can easily fix by making some force restart. So let's try this. How you can do a force restart, you just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. Just try this. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button and just wait for a few seconds here. In the very first, your screen might go fully black, and once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So a forced restart might take more time than usual. You just have to wait for it. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to try to use your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way. You just have to try to change your display, the complete display, to get perfect fix of this. Because if you try to fix that specific area, so sometime it might be dangerous for your phone panel. So once your panel broke, your phone might be unusable for you. So you just have to try to change your whole display, and in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.